Starting a merchandise business can be an exciting and rewarding venture, but success requires careful planning and execution. This video provides a practical and detailed guide on how to initiate your own merchandise business, covering key aspects such as market research, product selection, branding, online presence, and customer engagement. Step 1. Market research and target audience. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify potential niches and target audiences for your merchandise. Analyze competitors, understand consumer preferences, and pinpoint gaps in the market. This research will inform your product selection and marketing strategies. Define your target audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. This understanding will guide decisions on product design, pricing, and promotional channels. Step 2. Product selection and quality. Choose a range of products that align with your target audience and market trends. Common merchandise includes apparel, accessories, and branded items. Ensure your products are of high quality to build a positive reputation and customer loyalty. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers and manufacturers. Consider offering unique or customizable items to differentiate your brand from competitors. Pay attention to design, functionality, and durability to create merchandise that resonates with your audience. Step 3. Branding and logo design. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your business values and appeals to your target audience. Create a memorable logo and consistent branding elements that can be applied across all merchandise and marketing materials. A well-designed logo helps establish brand recognition and builds trust with customers. Invest time and resources in creating a brand image that sets your merchandise business apart from others in the market. Step 4. Establishing an online presence. In the digital age, an online presence is crucial for the success of any merchandise business. Set up an e-commerce website with user-friendly navigation, secure payment options, and detailed product descriptions. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your merchandise, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. Utilize digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, and social media advertising to drive traffic to your online store. Step 5. Customer engagement and feedback. Create a positive customer experience by providing excellent customer service and engaging with your audience. Encourage customer feedback and reviews to gain valuable insights into your products and services. Actively participate in social media conversations, respond to customer inquiries promptly, and address any issues professionally. Building a loyal customer base is essential for the long-term success of your merchandise business. In conclusion, starting a merchandise business requires careful planning and attention to various aspects, from market research to customer engagement. By understanding your target audience, offering high-quality products, establishing a strong brand, maintaining an online presence, and prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can set the foundation for a successful and sustainable merchandise business. Remember, adaptability and continuous improvement are key to staying competitive in the dynamic world of merchandise entrepreneurship.